thunderstorms coming in the afternoon. Heading out tonight, looking pretty good. Temperatures overnight will dip down into the 50s and 60s. Keep in mind, though, we're almost there already, so we won't fall much more. And here's the timing for our front. It's going to sweep through here about 6 to 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Ahead of it, though, strong storms are possible, starting about noon through about 4 and 5 in the afternoon, moving from Tampa into our area and then moving off the coastline after that. But at least in the cold air, we're not dealing with the snowfall, which could add up in a big, big way. Here's one of many computer models for the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic, dumping 1 to 2 to over 2 feet of snow. That's Saturday through 11:30, almost the midnight hour. You can see almost 2 feet in Washington, even up around New York now. The models earlier were toning down the snowfall amounts. Some of them now bringing in a hefty snowstorm before it moves off the East Coast on Sunday. A chance to dig out. We'll see what happens in the end, but it looks like a big line of snow all the way from the Carolinas up in toward definitely Washington and through Baltimore and Philly, and possibly even up around Connecticut too. All right, here's the timeline for our stormy weather. The morning, lots of clouds around, a few showers. There's 12:30 in the afternoon. Some rainfall coming in across Palm Beach County and a few storms too. Then as we get through the afternoon hours, we sweep through with some showers, some rain, and the chance for a thunderstorm. And then it all clears out Friday night and early Saturday, but it turns cold. We'll hit 79 for a high tomorrow, 66 on Saturday. Sunday, a lot of spots won't even break 60 degrees, and then we warm up quickly on Monday and Tuesday. Small craft advisory in effect. This is only the beginning of nasty boating conditions, and beachgoers too. Keep in mind, seas will be climbing tomorrow. They'll get even higher Saturday and Sunday with that northwest wind and that cold air. 66 and mostly cloudy tonight with a few overnight showers, so the morning commute will be a little soggy for some. A little sunshine in the morning, but sky clouds over everywhere. Gusty winds tomorrow and some of those storms. And we'll keep an eye on severe weather. At this point, it doesn't look too significant. It doesn't look like Sunday where we had the wild weather, but it definitely looks like we could pick up an isolated thunderstorm or two. And we may issue a weather alert day tomorrow afternoon, too. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Saturday and Sunday, low to mid 60s, overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. A real chill in the air.